We are now in the municipality house, municipality building of Tel Aviv. Here it is, City Hall. And you can see two tents here. If you want to check yourself, to check if you are healthy, have no coronavirus, Covid-19, that's the place. But if you want to get over it, then they're building another tent, and that's going to be another vaccination center of Corona, Covid-19. Then more than 300,000 people already did it in Israel. And my mother is going to do that in about 2 days from now, 3 days from now. I'm not 60 years old yet, and I have no rights to do that. But if it will be okay, and according to the plan, I will take that vaccination in about 3 weeks from now. And bye-bye Corona. Let's hope so. It's 28, I think December 28, 2020. Tel Aviv, Israel.